Hello, my dear children. Now, let us learn more from the chapter on properties of water. Now, all of you take out page number 74 and read the topic soluble and insoluble substances with me. Okay, children? Let us start. The substances that dissolve in water completely are called soluble substances. Salt, sugar, and coffee powder are examples of soluble substances. The substances that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Example are sand, stone, chalk powder, and oil are insoluble substances. Now, to understand it in detail, you are going to do an experiment. Take 2 beakers, fill them half with water. Add a spoonful of salt in one beaker and sand in the other beaker. Stir both the beakers well. Observe them carefully. You will see that salt gets dissolved completely in water while sand does not dissolve at all. It settles down at the bottom. This shows that salt is a soluble substance and sand is an insoluble substance. Now, let us learn more about the topic in detail. Soluble substances, those substances that dissolve or mix completely in water, are called as soluble substances. Example, sugar, salt, fruit juice, vinegar, etc. Next is insoluble substances. Those substances that do not dissolve in water are called as insoluble substances. Example, sand, oil, pulses, etc. Now children, let's do one experiment to know this in detail. Be careful while the experiment is going on. So, as you know that some substances are soluble in water, that is, gets mixed with water, while others are not. Watch the following tests to find out which substances are soluble in water and which are not. Our first test is with salt. We will take 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it in a glass of water. Stir it. What will we observe? Salt has mixed completely with water. So, it is a soluble substance. Next, we will take sugar. Again, we will do the same process. Sugar mixes completely with the water, so it is a soluble substance. Our next test is with oil. It just floats at the top of the water. It does not mix. So, oil is an insoluble substance. Okay, children? Next, we will take sand. Stir it in a glass of water. does not dissolve in the water. So, it is an insoluble substance. Our next test is with flour. It makes the water cloudy but does not dissolve in it. So, flour is an insoluble substance. Our next test is with vinegar. Vinegar is a liquid. It dissolves quickly in water. So, it is a soluble substance. Our next test is with juice. Any fruit juice. It dissolves completely in the water. So, it is a soluble substance. Okay, children, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Thank you.